Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here you can see this is 32-inch digital smart TV. Basically this is local brand LED TV. In the last video I have shown you a backlight driver. In this video I am going to show you how to install that backlight driver to this 32-inch LED TV. Here you can see this is the combi board. Guys, in the first step we have to check the backlight using a backlight tester. If the backlight is in perfect condition, after that we can install the external backlight driver. If the backlight is not working, then we have to replace the backlight. Let's check using a tester. Friends, here you can see, now I am going to connect the backlight tester. Here you can observe that the backlight is going in perfect condition. Here you can see, then you can observe in the meter also, it is showing 31.5. Now we got the confirmation that the backlight is in perfect condition. So the main problem is in the board backlight driver. In this section we have a fault. So the easy method is to install the external backlight driver. Here you can see this is the backlight driver I have shown in the last video. Now I am going to connect this backlight driver to this LED TV. Friends, here you can see the red wire is VCC, then the black wire is ground, then the yellow wire is on and off. Using this red and black wire we are giving input to this driver, then the yellow wire is used for turning on and off the backlight. Here you can see, using this pin we are taking the 12 volt for the backlight driver. I have connected the two wires from the bottom pin. Now I am checking the ground point. First I connected the ground wire. Friends, now I am connecting the ground wire. After that I connected the VCC wire also. Two connections are over. Friends, now yellow color wire is connected to any 3.3 or any 5 volt. To turn on the backlight, this on and off is necessary for turning on and off the backlight. Guys, from this point I am taking on off signal. Now I am connecting the wire to this point. Now finally I am joining these two wires. Friends, the installation of this backlight driver is very easy. By connecting the three wires, we can install the backlight driver to any type of TV. From here I am taken the on-off signal. Then from this I have taken the 12 volt as input to this backlight driver. Finally, we have to connect our backlight wire to this output pin. There are many pins. If you want any type of pin, you can connect there. Which type of pin you want, you can connect there. There are many options are given there. So this is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.